Everyone, welcome all in EVS Academy YouTube channel. As you all know, UGC NET exam for December 2021 and June 2022 have been postponed. Those who want to clear this exam and want the guaranteed success or want to clear their UGC NET exam, for them, EVS Academy has prepared a crash course and test series. Those who want to buy a crash course at a very discounted offer can call on the given number and visit our website and can purchase and can get a success at the last moment. Call on this number 9911 and for new updates kindly subscribe our channel, share and like अगर अभी तक नहीं किया है तो. See you all in next video with new updates. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.